My beautiful friends, hello and welcome to another edition of Trader's Choice Crypto. My name is Keon and today is Saturday, May 8th, 2021. In this video, we're going to talk about why Ethereum was the star of the show this week, all-time highs all around, from Ethereum Classic to Cardano's ADA to everybody's favorite Dogecoin. We're going to talk about how to make passive income via staking your cryptocurrencies and what staking is. And we are going to finish off with the gem of the week. Before we get started, I just want to thank everybody who followed me on Twitter, and 1,000 plus followers in 2 weeks. That's brilliant. I'm so grateful. I encourage you guys to follow my Twitter. I'll leave the link below. Interact with me. You'll see news pieces about crypto in general and my favorite projects, and it's a chance for us to connect one by one. So let's get started. Ethereum hit an all-time high this week, soared past $3,500, and it proved that it can be independent of Bitcoin, because usually Bitcoin and Ethereum moved along the same trajectory. This week, Bitcoin stayed in the 50,000 range, while Ethereum passed 3,500 to an all-time high, and there were several factors that attributed to that. And one of them is that, as you all know, or if you don't know, Ethereum is basically an ecosystem of many different coins. The Ethereum coin is what we trade or what we hold from, that is the native coin from the Ethereum blockchain. Now, to give you guys an idea of what I mean when I say it's an ecosystem, the coin that Greg mentioned and suggested, Dash, is actually an ERC20 coin, which means it is a coin that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. And so, with that said, Ethereum, it powers some of the fastest growing parts of the crypto economy, from NFTs to decentralized applications, dApps, and also many different decentralized finance platforms, as well as very popular stablecoin USDC. We had more institutional investors expanding into Ethereum this week. And we also had 4 Ethereum ETFs that launched in Canada. And this is huge because it gives mainstream exposure to regular individuals to get indirect exposure to Ethereum through these different brokerages in Canada. And the trading volume has already, with those ETFs, has already surpassed $138 million. And last but not least, we had MetaMask, which is a very popular Ethereum wallet, pass 5 million active monthly users. So there are so many different projects that are coming about on the Ethereum blockchain, and there's so many transactions taking place, whether it's NFTs, whether it's different decentralized applications, and this is causing Ethereum's price to surge. I am extremely bullish on ETH. I think it is an incredible project, and it is paving the way for the future of many different industries, not just finance, but entertainment and art, and also sports as well. So it is one of my staples in my portfolio, and I definitely back it 100%. In other news, we had many all-time highs. This was such a green week. We had Cardano's ADA, new all-time high. Ethereum Classic just freaking mooned this past week. Congratulations to everybody who is holding that. And of course, we have Dogecoin, which I wanted to touch upon briefly. We have Elon Musk going to Saturday Night Live, and he's going to, he had a tweet, he said, the Saturday Night Live, the Dogefather is coming out. Nobody knows what that means. What does this mean for Doge? Well, listen, if he does come out and something is hinted towards the coin, I would expect a surge in the price. If he fails the expectations, I would also expect the opposite to happen. There could be a potential sell-off. So for all my Doge holders out there, that is very important. And I was thinking about Dogecoin this week, and it's something so incredible with the project. And this is what I think overall about it. It is a project with zero utility, yet it is backed by a community that has faith in the value of the coin. And I thought that was interesting because I thought about fiat currency like that too. There's an interesting correlation. Fiat currency is backed by nothing. At one point it was backed by gold, so there was something behind it. It wasn't just paper, imaginary money. And so I thought it was a funny correlation that fiat currency is also a community of individuals that have faith in the value of the currency. In future videos, I would like to talk about the inevitability of central banks issuing their own digital currencies, and also talk about the less glamorous possibility of a cashless society and the implications of that. So that was that for the all-time highs this week. Watch Saturday Night Live. I think it's going to be very interesting what happens to Dogecoin, which it passed officially XRP in market cap, which I think is amazing. Some people might be like, oh no, like whatever. But that's the power of faith. And this is more of a philosophical lesson. Faith is our most strong muscle that we as humans have. If you believe in something, it is very hard for somebody to get you to change that belief. So that is the power of faith. All right, we're going to get into one of my favorite topics and one of my favorite things to do personally when it comes to cryptocurrencies, and that is earning passive income through staking. Now, what is staking? I will give you the textbook definition. Staking means storing your funds in wallets to support the network and receive rewards for them. There are a couple of ways to stake. There is the standard, in which the income depends on the amount of cryptocurrency in the wallet. You can stake on hard wallets like Tezos or Ledger, which is called cold staking. You can stake in soft wallets like Trust Wallet, and there are certain native coins allow staking of their own coin on their websites, on their platforms. So in the standard way of staking, you basically put X cryptocurrency that is worth X amount, and you're receiving interest. You're staking X cryptocurrency on X amount that's worth X amount, excuse me, and you're receiving APY, interest on whatever you are staking. Now this is for my hodlers out there, those who do not trade cryptocurrencies but only intend on holding. So I think it's fascinating that you have a appreciating asset as it is, and you have the ability and opportunities to receive interest, APY, on top of it via staking. Now, there is another kind of staking that I wanted to quickly get into. It's called least proof of stake. And this is a very popular kind of staking. This is also known as yield farming, which the user's funds are leased to, whether it's a farm, but in textbook definition, verified nodes. And this type of passive income is very good for those who are not ready to make large investments or trade, but want to receive stable income without great risks. Now, yield farming, different platforms that you can look into for yield farming for people who are on the Ethereum blockchain are Uniswap. On the Binance Smart Chain, Pancake swap. There's also a new swap that has come out that is pretty early, like a week old. I really believe in this project, Panther Swap. They are number 2 swap on the Binance Smart Chain. So through these, you can lend what's called liquidity to the farms, which give you rewards back in APY paid in the native token of that swap. So I think this is a fantastic way to make passive income. And there's a website called VFAT, VFAT.tools, TOOLS, where you can check out different farms and their different APYs and how much interest you get per day, per week, or per year. I think this is an incredible way to make income if you do not plan on trading your cryptocurrencies, but holding them. And also check out native websites, native coins websites, whatever coin that you're holding, to see if they have staking options available, because now you're not only holding the cryptocurrencies, but you're also receiving some sort of reward for staking your cryptocurrency on a given platform. All right, last but not least, let us get into the gem of the week, which is Phantom, under the ticker FTM. They had a nice rally this past week, and I am a big fan of this project because it is known as the Ethereum Helper. And it's basically a project made up of custom blockchains designed for speed, security, and scalability, which are current issues that Ethereum faces minus security. So speed and scalability are things that won't happen with Ethereum until Ethereum 2.0 comes out in July. And Phantom is meant to be the Ethereum helper and help Ethereum scale until Layer 2 comes out in July. And when I say until, I mean after that, Ethereum should be good. The speed, cost, and scalability issues of doing transactions on the Ethereum blockchain should theoretically be solved once Ethereum 2.0 comes out. So keep that in mind when thinking of this project. And as always, please do your own research. I will leave the link of their website below for you guys to check them out. And that is the gem of the week, Phantom. Thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Trader's Choice Crypto. Once again, my name is Keon, aka the Crypto Ken. And just want to say thanks and give so much gratitude to everybody who's been supporting me so far on this journey and following me on Twitter, interacting with me. Reach out to me, guys. I love talking to you guys, connecting with you guys, answering your questions. And this is the beginning. This is the renaissance, as I have told you guys in the previous video. And I'm so excited to see where cryptocurrencies goes. It is a very exciting market to be in. It doesn't sleep, so there are those sleepless nights, but it is a fantastic opportunity, not just for wealth, not just for gains, but also for a better, freer, more independent future for us all. Until next time, my friends, take care.